buffaloes are here. I just got here. Well, and this guy he said 3 buffaloes already. So hopefully I can catch at least one today. By the way, it's a late start for me. It's 12, no, maybe past 12 on Saturday, November. What's today's date? Oh gosh, I always forgot the date. November 9th. Hold on, let me grab my cell phone. Yeah, November 9th. November 9th, 12:30. Let's get some buffaloes, guys. Finally, I got one. Oh, great. Okay. One correctly. I lost the big one before, so I did not attempt to turn on my my camera. So while I'm reeling it in. So yeah, I got one. I almost got home. I almost gave up actually. From what time was it? 12 o'clock to I think it was 6:30. I went home. See, I only caught one. Oh, it's 12 and a half. That's 12 and a half. Wow, that's a big one. I thought it was like 11 and a half. Okay, it's maybe 12, guys. Um, yeah, before this, I caught a lot of species. Like I caught a big ladyfish, a few spotted trout. What else? Yeah, small ladyfish, maybe three. Then maybe three small Spanish mackerels. But people are catching big ones too. It's big Spanish mackerels. But unfortunately, I did not catch a single one. So yeah, before this, I almost gave up actually. See the cut right there. Unfortunately, the bird. What's that now? What kind of bird that? What was it now? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Anyway, it got caught up with my line, and then thankfully we were able to save it. Thank you so much, Steve, and friend. They helped me free that bird. So thank you so much, Steve. You're a lifesaver.